Hi dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizy and today I'm going to show you, like you read it on the title, this design that I'm going to attempt just because my daughter is so obsessed with PewDiePie, and there's like a controversy on YouTube about this channel and other channel that is in indie or Hindu, I don't remember, but they have like a really tight competition about subscribers, and PewDiePie right now has like around 95 million, so it's almost 100 million subscribers. That is really crazy. But anyways, we're gonna do this design, but I already did my base on each nail, and these are the colors that I used, and they look like this. Okay, now for the first design, I'm going to use this acrylic paint, and it is black. If you are familiar with the PewDiePie channel, you will notice that he has this background that is this orangey red, or sometimes it looks like magenta color, and he has like really squiggly lines, black lines around it. So I'm going to try to do that, because even though that it's easy, it could be a little tricky though. So let's try it out with the black acrylic paint, and we need to stop breathing for this. Alrighty dolls, it was a little tricky to do, but I think they came out really good. I really like the way that they look, and it's actually wearable. I am surprised that I really like this. Right now we're going to do another design here, which is the fist bump, bro punch, or bro whatever. I'm old. I am a mom. Okay, now that we have that, I poured a little bit of this paint, this nail polish, on the side here, and it's the same that I use for this nail. And I'm going to draw right here the little fist, and it's really easy with a dotting tool. it looks like this right now. And the last part right here is to connect the knuckles. I need to connect them like so. To finish this up, I'm going to use this new Sinful Colors matte. It's a new matte top coat. Okay dolls, this is the end result. I just wanted to put a little bit of a glassy top coat on the P to make it pop, and I think it looks really cool. I hope you guys like this video. I really like it. Didn't know that I would like this so much, but I have so much fun recreating the logos, and I wanted to give a shout out to PewDiePie for his channel. It's really fun. I really recommend it. I'm gonna link it down below. Not sponsored, but you should, buddy, because look at this. Look at this. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for being here. I see you on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah.